Dear students, today in this class you are going to learn about parallel lines and transversal. Okay, exercise 3.2. This is of class 9th standard. Okay, and lesson is lines and angles. Here we have first question. In figure, find the values of x and y. Then show that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, very simple here. We know that 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree because and this transversal line is a straight line, right? This is a transversal line is a straight line. Okay, the straight line which is equal to 180 degree. Okay, see 50 plus x is equal to 180, then the value of x is equal to 180 minus 50, that is 130. Here also you see angle y is equal to 130 degree, right? Because of vertically opposite angles. Okay, and vertically opposite angles, right? See, even angle x is equal to 130, angle y is equal to also 130. Therefore, as x and y are alternate interior angles, right? See here, alternate interior angles for lines AB and CD, and also measures of these angles are equal to each other, that is 130 degree, right? Therefore, the lines AB is parallel to CD and is proved, right? Let us see solution. It can be observed that okay, 50 plus x, it can be observed that 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. 50 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Then the value of x is equal to 180 minus 50. X is equal to, that is 130 degree, right? 130 degree. Okay, take it as equation 1. Now also y is equal to 130 degree. Okay, in bracket I will take it as vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. See here, 50 plus x is equal to 180 I have taken. In bracket I will write here linear pair. Okay, linear pair or transversal line is a straight line, right? Okay, y is equal to 130 degree, vertically opposite angles. So as x and y are alternate interior angles, as x and y are alternate interior angles for lines AB and CD, for lines AB and CD, and also measure of these angles, and also measure of these angles are equal to each other. Angles are equal to each other. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Right? Hence, prove. Okay, this is the right answer. Let's discuss our second question. Here we have, in figure, if AB is parallel to CD and CD is also parallel to EF and y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7, they have given in the ratio, but they are not given values here. Let it, we can take it as y and z as A. Okay, let us see. Solution we have. It is given that AB is parallel to CD. It is given that AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, right? Okay, See here, AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. In bracket I will write here, lines are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other, right? Lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Right? Okay. Let us see now. Parallel to each other. That is, angle X is equal to angle Z because alternate interior angles, right? Angle X is equal to, that is, X is equal to Z. In bracket I will write alternate interior angles. Okay, see here, take it as 1. Take it as equation 1. See, it is given that y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. It is given that y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. Okay, let the common ratio between of both, right? We can take it as A. Let the common ratio between B bar W, right? I will write here between. Okay, common ratio between y and z, B, A I will take. Okay, also, okay, z. So it can be written as y is equal to 3A. Okay, z is equal to 7A. We have taken it as A. Okay, for those both, that's it. Also, x plus y is equal to 180 degree because of co-interior angles on same side of the transversal. Okay. Also, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. In bracket I will write co-interior angles on the same side. Okay, same side of the transversal right? Let us see now by using equation 1. Okay, by using equation 1 we get, let us see, x is equal to, we can take it as z. Okay, I will take z plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, use x is equal to z. Okay, z is equal to 7a, z is equal to 7a, y is equal to 3a is equal to 180 degree. 7a plus 3a, which is equal to 10a, right? 10a is equal to 180 degree. A is equal to 180 degree divided by 10. Okay, 10 1 ja 10 18 ja, or 0 0 cancel, 18 degrees remaining. A is equal to 18 degree, right? Okay, A is equal to here 18 we got. Okay, let us see now. We need to find out the value of x, right? X is equal to z I told, right? X is equal to here. Therefore, x is equal to z, which is equal to, that is 7a, right? 7a that is 7 into 18 is equal to 18 7 is how much? That is 126 degree. Okay, 126 degree. Therefore, the angle of x is 126 degree. Okay, proved. This is the right answer.